back to Tiago's Tips. Today we're making pumpkin pancakes. Alright, let's start by adding our dry ingredients. Some flour, just pour the whole thing. Baking powder, that rhymes. Brown sugar. For some reason, salt. And cinnamon with pumpkin spice. Now you're going to want to mix it all up. Now we're going to mix the wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. Some milk. Some vanilla extract. A bit too much, but okay. I guess it's delicious. More vanilla. It's gonna taste like vanilla pumpkin pancakes now. Okay. Some pumpkin puree. Yeah. It's a lot of pumpkin. Well, it makes sense because we are making pumpkin pancakes, so you gotta have some pumpkin in your pumpkin pancakes or else they'll just be normal pancakes. And now let's crack some eggs. Make it drip, get all that egg yolk, and then we're gonna pour it in. Alright, that's basically all our ingredients. I guess we're gonna whisk it up now. Now we're gonna start cooking our pumpkin pancakes, and we're gonna turn on the stove. Okay, so flop some butter in there. Now let's pour in our pancake batter. When you see the bubbles on the edges, that's when you flip it. Alright, now it's ready to flip. All done with our pumpkin pancakes. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos.